Today we are starting new chapter, human reproduction. Reproduction is a process where organism produces its progeny or offspring. In human, sexual reproduction takes place. In this process, participation of both the organisms is there, that is male and female. By syngamy means fusion of male and female gamete, zygote is formed. Zygote is converted into embryo. Now male reproductive system. It has many parts: scrotum, a pair of testes, a pair of epididymis, a pair of vasa deferentia, a pair of ejaculatory duct, a urethra, a penis, and certain accessory glands. Now we are starting with scrotum. It is a pouch of pigmented skin. It is an unpocketed sac of the abdominal or pelvic cavity. It hangs from groin. The scrotum is internally divided into right and left scrotal sac by a muscular partition known as septum. Both the testes are held in scrotum. Hence the testes of human male are called scrotal or extra-abdominal testes. However, the scrotum remains connected with abdominal or pelvis cavity by the inguinal canal. The testis originated in the abdominal cavity, but later during the 7th month of development, it moves permanently into respective scrotal sac through the passage known as inguinal canal. The temperature of scrotum is for sperm production is lower than 2 degrees centigrade than the normal body temperature. It protects the sperm against relatively high body temperature. When the temperature is less, the scrotum shrinks and it becomes thick and brings to the testis closer to the body to get warmth, and when the temperature rises, the scrotum becomes relaxed and thin to lose heat. Failure of testes to descend into the scrotum causes sterility because sperm formation does not take place at the abdominal temperature. Sterility means person is not able to reproduce. Now we are starting with testes. Testes are primary sex organ in the human. Each testis is small, pinkish and oval. The testis is suspended in the scrotal sac by spermatic cord. The cremaster muscle and connective tissue forms the spermatic cords. It is divided into many parts: protective part of testis, testicular lobules, seminiferous tubules, brachiotestis, and vasa efferentia. Now, before going ahead, first we will study male reproductive system. As you can see, this is the ureter. This is vas deferens. This white one, that is seminal vesicle. This pinkish color, ampulla, bladder. Now this is prostate glands. This is prostate gland. This is bulbourethral gland. The part near tube-like structure, that is corpus spongiosum, that is urethra. This is testis. This is epididymis. This is corpus cavernosum. This is all structure of human male reproductive system. Now one by one we will study about this in next lectures. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.